Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create topics right here in Google Classroom. Yes. So I'm going to guide you through this step by step. Right. If you notice, we have grades, we have people, we have classwork, we have stream. We're going to click on classwork. Now, when you click on classwork, this is what you usually create. So I want to click on create. When you click on create, you see assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, report, and topic. You want to click on the topic. This is what come up. So we're going to type the class right there. When you finish, then you're going to come right here and click on add. Right, if you notice, this is one class, so we're going to create a different one. Click again and come right down here. You notice we're going to add the next class again. So we're going to add a quick one right here. So as soon as you do that, you're going to come right here and click on add. Right, so definitely we have our two class definitely. So what if you want the art one to above? You can just simply click right here. You can say move up. Or you can come right here, this one. You can say move down. Move down, you notice it come up. You want to click right here. Move up, just the same. So this is how we actually create topics right here in Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.